What's goody grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $20 to $40 per 5 minutes. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $20 to $40 per 5 minutes. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, before I tell you this method, please check in the description below. I want to give away some free gifts, but you have to subscribe to this channel. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, then scroll down to the description below and click on that link where it says free giveaways, and I'm going to give away 3 free gifts. It's a website you're going to go to, and you're going to see those 3 free gifts just for you. Now, please watch this video to the very end, because you need to know every step that you need to take to make $20 to $40. So don't skip anything and watch it all the way to the end. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can earn $20 to $40 per 5 minutes. So let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called concur.io. So as you can see here, it says buy services for my businesses and make money selling services. So what you're going to be doing is selling a service. And what you're going to be selling is logos. I know you're saying to yourself, well, I'm not a graphic designer. I can't design anything. I don't know anything about that. But you don't have to. You don't have to know anything about graphic design. Because I'm going to show you a couple of websites you can use that will make your logo design or logo design for other businesses or other individuals in 5 minutes or less. So, as you can see here on this website, they have a lot of different categories: marketing, graphic design, CEO, programming tech, audio and video. But we're going to be using graphic and design. So people are going to come to this website and buy your service, and you're going to make them a quick logo. All right. What I'm going to do, also, I'm going to show you where else you can, another place you can sell your logo also too. You probably heard of this place called Fiverr. So we're going to use Fiverr also too to sell your logo. We're going to use both of these places so you can make that $20 to $40 in 5 minutes. All right, now let me go ahead and go to step 2, which is the website you're going to use to make the logo. Okay, now I'm at this website called Free Logo Design. So you can use this website here to make the logo. And all you have to do is right here where it says enter your company name. So let's enter a name. So I'm putting down here Star Tech. I don't see if you can see that, it's kind of small. All right, then you just click get started. Then you'll click next. And then right here it says what is your business type. So you can put a business type. You can put like maybe apps. You can also skip it, but I'm just going to put it on here just to go to the next step here. So it's search, and right here choose up to 5 keywords that's best describe what your business is about. You can modify them later as you progress. So we'll put applications, we'll put mobile, we'll put smartphone, we'll put phone. So that's 5. Then you just go down here and go to the next thing. Click next. I'm sorry, you have to put this up here. Then you click next. Then right here takes you to where it has different icons. And you don't even have to use that if you don't want to, but I'm going to use an icon anyway. Use this phone icon. Then just click next. Now it goes here, pick a color. So I'm just going to pick a color. I'm going to pick green. You can go down here and click next. Then you ask what type of fonts you want to use. So you can use modern, storybook, or poster. So I'm going to use modern. Click next. And voila, there's the logo. So, you can make different kind of logos, use different styles of text and different graphics, and let them choose what they want. And that's it. So let me go to another website you can use to make logos. And that website also is real quick to make. So let me go ahead and go to that one. All right, I'm at the next website where you can make a logo. It's called Looker. It's looker.com. So all you have to do is, it's basically like the last website. So I went ahead and put in StarTech. I used the same name I used in the last website. So you just click Get Started. Then right here, what type of business you are starting. So I'm gonna put apps again. Click continue. Right here, pick 5 or more logos you like. So I'm gonna pick that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. That's 5. Then you click continue. Then you're gonna select up to 2 colors, styles you like. So I'm gonna pick yellow and blue. I'll pick yellow on this one, blue on this one. Then click continue. Then right here, you don't even have to. You could just go ahead and skip this part. Tell us about. You could just continue. You don't have to put that there. You already got the name of the company. Just click continue. And now it says symbols. You don't even have to do that. You can skip this. Now it's generating. And voila. That is the logo. They give you several different kind of logos. All right. Now let me go ahead and go to the last step, or the next website you can use to sell your logo. Okay, I'm at the last step, which is the website called Fiverr. That's fiverr.com. I'm sure you heard of that because I've talked about it in other videos before. So I went ahead and put in, I searched for logo design, and this what popped up. So you're going to have no competition really, because here's one starting at $50, $175, $100, $50, $95. I know here's one $15, but most of them are 40 or 50 on up. Here's 125. So all you're going to do, let me just go here. All you're going to do, once you start an account with Fiverr, you just put what type of service that you're providing. Make some logos and put some examples right here, like this person has done. And then you're going to put the description of what you provide, what type of service you provide, and put your price right there. And that's all you have to do. And you should get sales in a matter of probably the same day or next day, because like I said, you don't have no competition. These other guys are selling $50 on up their services for making logos. So if you use this website and concur, you'll definitely start making $20 to $40 in 5 minutes. So that's it. That's all the steps you need to take. Now you know the method you need to use to earn $20 to $40 per 5 minutes. So go ahead and sign up with those websites, start creating those logos, and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please smash that like button and let's get to 25 likes, guys. Because if I get 25 likes or more, that means more people on YouTube will see this video. And you know what that means? More viewers, more potential subscribers. Because what I'm gonna do once I get to 500 subscribers, I'm gonna reward some people some free money. I'm currently at 422, so I don't have that far to go. So if you're new, subscribe to my channel. Also, leave that comment down below, because I'm gonna randomly pick a comment and reward 2 people with some free money. So go ahead and put that comment down below, and it might be your lucky day. I might pick your comment. Gotta be creative. I might pick your comment and reward you with some money. So put that comment down right now. And please share this on social media everywhere and everywhere around the internet. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this every day. All right, thanks again for watching. Thank you for your support, guys. I really appreciate it. Just keep watching, and I'm gonna keep dropping this content so you guys can learn how to become your own boss and make that money on autopilot. All right, before I go, I would like to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Deuces, deuces, deuces.
This is Grind TV.